Alright y'all, welcome to Not So Simple Garage. If you like this channel or any of the content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I post a video and you can get every update on this channel. I would really appreciate it. Leave a like if you like the video and comment anything you'd like. So thanks for watching and let's get to the video. Alright y'all, so the next thing we're going to be doing in this video, there's horrible lighting in here, I know. But we're going to be tinting these taillights with VHT Niteshades. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these taillights out. Super easy, should be like 3 10mm bolts. I'll actually show you real quick. Okay, so right back here, I'm missing part of my trunk, so that's easy for me. So there's 4 bolts. One over here, one right here, 3, and 4. Take those 4 bolts out, disconnect this plug here for the harness, do that on both sides, and then we'll get those taillights out on the table and we will get them tinted with this VHT Niteshades. It looks like this. It's about $25 a can at O'Reilly's, but I've used this stuff plenty before. If you don't go too heavy with it, you shouldn't get in trouble because your brake lights should still be pretty visible. So I'm gonna get those popped out, and while we're letting this wing dry, I'm gonna get started on those, and I can just kind of work on 2 different sets of parts at the same time. So let's go ahead and get to it. Get your trusty 10mm. Oh, those are 8mm, wow. So I was mistaken, they're 8mm bolts. Boom, just like that, we got the tail light out. Let's go ahead and get the other one out and we'll get to painting it. Holy crap. I just realized I have so much water in my tail light. That's not good. Alright, so this is actually kind of really funny. It's gonna be a pain to do, but I'm gonna get it done. So basically there is a bulb stuck in, this was filled with water first of all. And now there's actually a bulb right in that middle part of the light. So I'm going to be attempting to grab that out. I almost had it a couple of times, so you can watch me struggle with that, I guess. Let's just get to it. It is what it is. I think someone had the case of the f***its when they had this car, quite frankly. Okay, so I'm really hoping the little prongs on the light are magnetic, because if that's the case, I can just snag it out with this. Nice and bendy, so let's see what happens. Haha! Okay, so if for some reason you ever run into that, that's magnetic. So get you one of these and you can solve that. Pretty sure that bulb's still good too. I don't know what the hell happened, but whatever. Okay, I'm not exactly sure why this was leaking water, but it probably just needs resealed. I don't know. I really don't know with this car, but whatever. We got the water out, so let's get these cleaned up and get them tinted. Yurt. Alright y'all, so I got these taped up, so everything red is going black, and the reason I do that is because I like to see with my reverse lights. I have LED reverse lights in there, I want them to be bright, so why put tint over them? It doesn't make sense to me, so You can take your time, about 10 minutes each light. I've done this on a few different sets and just get it looking real nice and clean. No one's gonna look super close at it, so if your corners aren't absolutely perfect, it's not the end of the world, but this will definitely be good enough. So let's go ahead and get to spraying them. Okay, so the trick to nightshades, lay very even coats. Lay your first coat, wait about 10 minutes, let it dry and flash off, come back and lay another coat. I usually do no more than 3 coats, sometimes 2 coats is enough, kind of depending how heavy you do it. But if you go too dark, you're not going to be able to see your taillights, you will get pulled over, so be careful when doing this. Just get them a nice tint looking, you know, you'll still be able to see a tiny bit of red, but they'll look way better. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, y'all, so we got an update. I've got the whole rear end of my car torn apart. I've got my taillights up here. Those are gonna get one more coat. You can see they're looking good, but they're not quite there yet. So, waiting on those.
A few moments later.
Perfect. Those turned out so sick. I'm so stoked about that. Let's go. Hell yeah. I mean, you guys saw what it was before. Now we got something like that, baby. Fuck you. Let's go. Take them inside to dry. Hell yeah. Let's go, baby. All right, so here we go. These are the tail lights. They're quite a bit darker than I anticipated, but I also did go pretty heavy on them. Not that big of a deal. It's still gonna be sick, so let's peel this off. Look at that. Look at that tape job. Oh, beautiful. Woo! Hell yeah. That's sick. I've done this before on my first 02 WRX, but looks great with those STI lights. And the second one, that one might be a little less dark. That's okay, not that big of a deal. It's already too cold out anyways to go and respray them again, so kind of stuck with it for now. I can always fix it later on down the road. Look at that. Yeah, baby. That first layer went down kind of like shit. Okay, so these squares, there's like 2 separate squares, should light up on both.
Okay. Yep.
All of them?
Yep.
Okay, and then the reverse lights.
Yep.
Both?
Yep. Oh, hold on a second. Do the reverse again. Yeah, I mean, there's... Yeah. Okay, those are blinker lights. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I need to test those too. Okay. Left.
Yep.
Right.
Yep. Yeah, I'll see them
Alright.
again.
Just wanted to make sure I didn't need to grab any bulbs while I was out.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we got the taillights back in. Looking pretty sick if you ask me, right? Hell yeah. You can still see the red through them. Looking good. Nice. That's gonna look sick with the STI wing back on and that top wing on. Hell yeah. So, with that said, basically just gotta finish bolting them in on both sides, put this trunk liner back together, and those are done. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you get updates to every future video that I post. If you did, I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. Like the video if you liked it. Comment what your favorite part was and what I should do next. So with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.